All right. Just doing a quick one here. I'm not doing anything insane. I just wanted to quickly update everybody that the server's working fantastic. This is exactly what we wanted to see, you know, how the server reacts. So as soon as I posted this link, as you can see, even before I posted it, the link's alive already. So if you want to basically start seeing all of this stuff, all you got to do is go here and just follow. You know what I mean? You just got to go there and follow, basically. So if I, for example, if I'll publish this, all of this is going to come off, and that's all you have to do. You can go there, and I've added like certain features where a lot of people who join this can also see this. So you can go straight here, see those notification, guys. So anyone who's having issues, you're not going to have those anymore. Remember, this is where all the links come in, and remember, this is all the news feed. And right now I've just added a voice channel where we could actually have a conversation. So I'll just put this here for a second. 1 second. Let's disconnect this, because obviously it's going to try and take over the microphone. So what we want to do here is basically, so you got the voice channel as well. As you can see, you've got the voice channel. We've got the main chat here. So this is where, as I said, I'll be spending a lot of time. And just to be transparent with everybody, just in case you turn around and say, well, how, you know, we've sent a message somewhere else, how come you're not listening? Well, let me try to show you something here. For example, some of these, for example, let me give you a good example. So logs, I'll get loads of them. Then I've muted it, right? A lot of these sections are going to be muted. For example, this is muted. A lot of these, everything up to this level here is all muted. So I don't want to know about all of this random stuff. Do you know what I mean? If that makes any sense, right? This is for everybody else to go in, promote, advertise, enjoy, do whatever you want to do on the server, make the server your own, right? But when it comes to this level here, this is the sections you will find me on. Okay, this is exactly where I'll be on, basically. So yeah, I mean, any subscriber questions, remember, you can post it here. I'll be here. Anything in the main chat, that's where I'll be spending a lot of time, and live stream and all of that stuff. As I said, these are auto stuff, right? That's just all I wanted to talk to you about. Also, I mean, not all, but I'll kind of drop a few bits and bobs here as well. There's actually a few coins I was looking at, and I thought maybe it's quite interesting. You want to check them out, right? So let me go into this. There's this one here, which is pretty interesting. I've been looking at this, how this has been kind of, you know, when I talk about curves and patterns, right? I was looking at this and I thought, this is really, really interesting. So I've been telling a few friends as well about this. I have done a test transaction already, just to come and see what's going on. And so far, I can tell you this, it was a very small amount. But you know me, when I test something, I'll do maybe 100 quid. Like, I won't do anything more than that. So I did a nice little 100 quid test here. And I was expecting the dump, right? You know, the Coinbase effect, right? We were expecting the it didn't happen, guys. So instead, after that, I mean, this was the dump, but after that, it's just been on a nice little rally. As long as the market's moving up, it should be a good buy. Also on a red candle, so everything looks awesome. And I've been observing this, so I don't know whether I'm in profit or not right now. I'll probably be in loss, but I did do a test one. I just wanted to mention this to you. The other one I wanted to mention to you was SKL. Again, it's done pretty much the same thing. If you look carefully, from where it was to where it is now, it's not the best of the best. Like, it's got a long way to go back to the all-time highs, right? But it is in Coinbase, and it did suffer the Coinbase effect. And usually after a Coinbase effect, as long as the market is still positive, this is not a bad coin to actually pick up. So that's all I'm looking at, but I'll be very careful until we get to this particular level. But this is not a trading signal or anything like this, guys. This is just basically random. I was making a video on this, and I just thought I'll just drop those two while I still remember, and I hope this kind of helps. So I'm not on the chat or anything, I'm not doing nothing. I just wanted to quickly shoot this, send it over, quick 4 or 5 minute video. That's about it. Also, while I'm on the subject, go back to BTC. Give me a second. BTC, not BTC, yes, BTC USD, and let's go back into this one specific chart, and let's look at the 4 hourly. What we're looking at right now. So obviously the market's moving sideways. We are in a bit of a channel, as you can see here. We are in a bit of a channel. We just need to break above these previous highs and we should be okay. So as long as we can get one candle, or you know, a couple of candles, we need one candle to confirm this. So this particular line here is our key right now. As long as we can break this, we should be okay. And if you look carefully, what you will see is this is what the pattern is showing us, right? So we've got this here. And if you use this, you can see we've got a lovely little triangle forming here. Obviously, it's inside a greater triangle, which is this particular one here, right? Which isn't, it is also positive as well. I mean, if you look at it, it is technically kind of like, you know, a little bit of an ascending triangle, or even a symmetrical, but the smaller one is definitely an ascending triangle, and we should see a nice little breakout hopefully. So everything looking good, everything looking like on plan. But again, Monday is when we're expecting the pump to happen. If it doesn't happen on a Monday, we could expect it easily on a Tuesday or Wednesday, but that's when everybody's coming back, right? All the institutions, all these people who like to trade on a Monday to Friday, all these stock market guys, all these people that we always wanted, they're going to be here. Hey bro, Ada for the past live stream. Ada, I did Ada, bro. Let's do Ada again for you. Right, I'm going to drop this quickly because we were talking about the Discord server. So join the Discord server. And also I've got a nice little $10,000 giveaway there. So go and check it out, what you need to do to be part of that $10,000 giveaway. Right, let's go to Ada. You want to talk about Ada? Let's go. Ada, bro. ADA, let's find the one with the thing, because that's the one I was using before as well. So Ada, remember what I told you about Ada? Ada's still on a breakout, and we are expecting a $3.34 Ada, right? And also, if you look at the pattern right now, right? So if we're going to do a triangle pattern, I'll show you what I'm showing right now, right? So you see this pattern here, right? This is what Ada's formed right now, actually closer to here, right? Ada's forming. It's an ascending triangle, right? It's an ascending triangle. Kind of symmetrical, not entirely symmetrical, but kind of. Ultimately, others on a rip. It's still going to go until the 12th of September. It's still going to be pumping. Remember this. Now, I want you all to remember one other thing as well. The 22nd of September is a key date. We could see a potential dump on that specific date, but keep an eye on it and see what happens. And then we might be able to, you know, just, you know, be observant. That's what I'm going to say. If you've made money, gains or anything, just take it as soon as you can, basically, because 22nd we might see some sort of a crazy stuff. In the short term, again, look, it's showing us $3. Ultimately, everything is indicating a $3. I'll be honest with you, everything is indicating a $3. If you also look at the pattern as well, look at this. It's just been fantastic. And also, if we look at a longer time frame on a daily, I mean, I'm just going to show you this, right? You look at this and you'll understand what I'm trying to say here, right? Let's just zoom out of this, right? And show you this really awesome thing here. So if you look at this, this is a pattern that we've been basically keeping up with, and like this was the trend line that we would have wanted, and as you can see, we're way far away from that. And if you look at this particular one, this is the current curve we have, which is actually kind of a parabolic curve, but as I said, it's going to be pumping until the 22nd, so just be patient and see what happens. You know, nothing much to worry about actually. So let's see what happens there, and then we go from there. So I hope this kind of answered your question. Bro, you look, I don't know if you can see this. Let me try and show you this, right? So I can't even see your chat because for some odd reason, this is what's happening with you. So I don't know why you're breaking out, but listen, any of this question now, you can actually go to the Discord server. The link is in the description. Go to the Discord server, ask me there. There's a section for the questions, or go to the main chat and I'll answer it there for you as well. So anything you miss here, I'll do it over there. It's not an issue. I'm here for you. You're right. I'm here to help everybody and keep them ahead in time. So I'm not going to make this any longer. This was a short video. So like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, join the Twitter, you know, go up there, start following and everything. That's all you have to do. Follow, like, share. That's all you have to do. And you could be one of those winners who gets a $10,000 a giveaway basically that I'm doing. So yeah, other than that, guys, like, share, subscribe, smash those like buttons, and what I'm going to do is catch you on another one very soon. So adios my amigos.